I describe the people who come to CPSI and kind of what unites us all, or one key piece of their DNA, is that they're up for it. Whatever that it is about to be, people are up for. How are we going to diverge today? What are the force connections going to be? How do we say yes and mean yes? Not saying yes to replace but and be passive aggressive, but really saying yes because they're ready to say yes to things. And people are hungry for things that they can take back and use. So it's not just interested in, isn't this an interesting intellectual concept? Isn't this a thing that I can write something about or have be out there? The work is immediately personally applicable, and you can take it back and use it for something else that you're really passionate about. So I think that's the other thing that unites people who come to CPSI, is that they are passionate about the work that they do, whether it's working with kids in Belfast to make sure that they are learning how to really think critically, or whether it's working at IBM to make sure that innovation is happening in a way that is sustainable and people are talking to each other. It's the whole gamut, and people are passionate about the work they do and hungry for ways to do it not just better, because it's not just better, it's more effectively in a way that there's impact, where it's like snow tires rather than just mountain bike or road bike tires, right? They grab on to things that will move the things they care about further forward. And I could talk to almost everybody here at CPSI for days about what they do and be fully ensconced in their stories, because they have fascinating, passion-filled lives that they are hungry to make sure that on their last day on Earth, they have had a positive impact on the people that they care most about.